Hello guys! For today's video guys ay malapit na yung pasukan. So guys, nag-aaral pala ako ng multiplication ngayon. Nung June 3, nag-aral ako ng palagi na lang ako nag-uusap. So guys, nag-aaral pala ako ng June 3 ng multiplication. So 3 by 3 pa yan. So guys, memorize ko yan. Let's go. Ayan guys, na-memorize ko na. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 27, mukhang nakalimutan ko na ta. So guys, meron pala akong multiplication dito. Tignan nyo. Ayan guys, yung multiplication ko. So guys, pag-aral natin yan kasi nakalimutan ko na. Ayan guys, yung multiplication table, yung worksheet niya. Ayan siya. So guys, magme-memorize muna ako. Hindi ko muna i-stop muna yung video ko guys, no. Bye. So guys, hindi ko na pala i-stop. So guys, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 56. So guys, ako naman. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 56. So 4 by 4 naman. 4, 8, 12, 16, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Okay guys. 4, 8, 12, 16. Nakalimutan ko na naman. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 27, 27. Nakalimutan ko na naman. So guys, pasensya na kayo. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. Okay guys, ulitin ko. Promise. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 30, 36, 4, 8, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. So guys, na-memorize ko na siya. Uulitin ko. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 4, 8, 12, 16, 18. OMG guys. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Ulit. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Narinig nyo ba yun guys? Si Kuya Andre ko yun. Namumushit siya palagi. So guys, ulit. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Ayan guys. So ulit. 4, pasensya na kayo guys, no? Pero ulit muna ako. So guys, nakapag-ulit na ako ng 4 by 4. So 6 by 6 naman. So guys, nakapag-ulit-ulit na ako ng 6. So guys, ayan na. Hindi ko pa i-stop yung video guys.